Today I have a Whirlpool refrigerator and freezer, and I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the child-proof lock or the button lock, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to show you how to turn it off. I'm going to show you how to turn it on so you can get to the controls of your Whirlpool refrigerator. Let's go ahead and get started. So I have my Whirlpool refrigerator right here, and I have some controls down here. Now, say for instance, I want to make adjustments to the controls, the settings on the refrigerator freezer, but I cannot do that. And why is that? Because you see this blinking, flashing light? That is the button or the light that indicates that the controls are locked. It prevents people from accidentally pressing these buttons, prevents children from coming up and pressing a button and throwing off the settings. Now, occasionally you may want to adjust the settings on here, and in order to get in there, you'll have to turn off the lock. I'm going to show you how to turn it off and then also turn it back on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the controls right here, and then I'm going to come to this side, and you see this right here? It says hold for 3 seconds. Now, what I'm going to do is this button where it says Celsius and Fahrenheit right here, this is also used as the lock control button. In order to access the lock control button, what you'll do is you take your finger and you'll press and hold this for 3 seconds and watch what happens. 3, it counts down, and it is unlocked. You no longer see the key right here lit up right there, and that is indicative that the refrigerator controls are unlocked. And now I can make adjustments, changing temperatures or whatnot on the refrigerator, do whatever I need to do to make adjustments to the settings. And then when I'm done, I'll go back over here if I want to turn the lock back on by coming right here where it says hold for 3 seconds. I'm going to take my finger, press and hold this. 1. And now the lock is back engaged, and I can't press any of these buttons and make changes, just like that. And that is how you turn on and off the button lock, child-proof lock on a Whirlpool refrigerator freezer. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.